Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of our What's in the Box. And today we're gonna unbox something that I bought online, usually from Amazon, but not always. But anyway, let's go ahead and let's see what's in the box. So this is purely an unboxing video. This is not a full review. This is just having a look at what came today in the mail. I'm not sure what it is. Okay. Alright. Okay. So first off is Funko Pop Iron Man number 1036 Marvel Iron Man Hall of Armor. Oh, sorry guys, I was out of the frame. There you go. That's the first item from the box. And the next item is Chun-Li. Oh, this is quite small, smaller than I expected. This is the Jada Toys Street Fighter 2 action figure. Cool. So there's Ryu and Fei Long. So far I think these are the only three that they released so far. So there's a lot more. So I like the packaging actually. It's reminiscent of the arcade control or console. Alright, that's the second one. And last but not the least is Transformers Legacy Laser Optimus Prime. Oh, look at that. Wow, I thought it's gonna be smaller, but the box is actually bigger than I expected. So smaller than I expected, bigger than I expected. So I think it's balanced now. Okay, so if you wanna see more of the video, I'm gonna be making a separate video for the unboxing of these three figures. So once again, thank you for joining, and please do like and subscribe. Bye.